You deserve a little playtime.
Yay!
Let's see how many dragons we have here. واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة. Which card do you think says خمسة? Is it this one?
No.
No. That's اثنان. How about this one?
No.
No, it's not this one either. Is this one خمسة?
No.
Is it this one?
Yes.
That's خمسة. Amazing work. Good job. Hello friends. Today we're going on an exciting journey to discover Arabic numbers. These numbers actually have a cool history. Even though we call the specific shape Arabic numbers, it originally came from India. A long time ago, Arab mathematicians helped spread them around the world. So let's have fun learning how to count in Arabic. Ready? Let's go. واحد. How many googly eyes do you think that is? 1. Good job. Yes, 1. Can you trace it with your finger? Nice. Now can you trace it again in the sand? Looks great. Amazing work. Let's check the back of the card. واحد. And there's the phonetic spelling. Great work. اثنان. Let's check the back. اثنان. How many googly eyes do you think that is? Good job. 2. Can you trace its shape? Wonderful. Now again in the sand. اثنان. How does it feel? Was that fun? Next up is ثلاثة. Let's check the back. ثلاثة. There's the phonetic spelling too. How many googly eyes do you think that is? واحد اثنان ثلاثة. Good job. Now can you trace the shape? Wonderful. Can you try that again in the sand? Oh, nice and smooth. Good job. ثلاثة. Amazing work. أربعة. How many googly eyes? واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة. Amazing work. Good job. Now can you trace it with your finger? Amazing. Now in the sand. Great shape. Good job. Moving on to خمسة. Let's check the back. خمسة. How many googly eyes? 1 2 3 4 and 5 5. Good job. Now can you trace it? Oops. A perfect 5. A nice circle. Good job. It's like a circle, exactly. Good job. Amazing work. Let's erase the board. ستة 6. Let's flip the card. 6. That's how it's written. Good job. How many googly eyes? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Amazing work. Can you trace it now? Good job. 6. Amazing work. Can you try it straighter this time? Good job. That's more like it. Good job. Let's erase the board and move on to the next number. This number is 7. 7. 7 has its arms pointing upwards. 7. 2 arms pointing upwards. Let's flip the card. 7. How many googly eyes do you think that is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Amazing work. Now can you trace it? 2 arms pointing upwards. Good job. Amazing work. Let's erase the board and move on to the next number. See? 7 has its arms pointing upward, but 8 has its arms pointing downward. 8. Let's flip the card. 8. How many googly eyes is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. Amazing work. Can you now trace it? 2 arms pointing downward. Can you try them straighter? Good job. 8. Amazing work. Clean off the board and move on to the next number. 9. 9. Let's flip the card. 9. That's how the word looks like. How many googly eyes do you think that is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Good job. Now can you trace it? Nice. Looks great. Good job. Amazing work. Let's erase the board. And move on to the next number. Notice we have 2 digits now. 10. 10. Let's flip the card. 10. How many googly eyes do you think that is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Amazing work. واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة 10. Amazing work. Awesome tracing. It's a 1 and a 0. I hope you guys enjoyed this set. You deserve a little playtime.
Yay!
Let's see how many dragons we have here. 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5. Which card do you think says 5? Is it this one?
No.
No. No. That's اثنان. How about this one?
No.
No, it's not this one either. Is this one 5?
No.
That's not 5. Is it this one?
Yes.
That's 5. Amazing work. Good job. Did you enjoy these cards?
Yes.
Was it fun playing this game?
Yes.
That's great to hear. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.